Hi, today we're going to take a look at the ECPA Career Center from the perspective of a job seeker. When you come to the ECPA.org community site for Christian publishing, the first thing you'll want to do, if you haven't done so already, is to create a public profile. Similar to other social media websites, your profile and its visibility are managed by you, and all of your privacy settings are also controlled by you. Therefore, your profile is only visible to individuals whom you grant permission to see it. If you don't already have a profile on the ECPA.org community website, click the Haven't Registered Yet link and follow the prompts to do so. Once you have created your profile, sign into the website by entering your username and password and clicking the Sign In link. You'll notice on your homepage that there are 3 tabs: your feeds, your wall, and your bio. Let's look at the bio. Your bio page is just what you would think it would be. It's information about yourself, your contact information, links to other social media profiles which you may have, photograph of yourself. Down at the bottom, you'll also notice a list of anyone else that you're connected to on the ECPA.org site, and any external links that you might have loaded onto your profile can be found here as well. It's important from a job seeker perspective that you have created a profile. When you apply for a job in the ECPA Career Center, one of the options employers have is to view your profile. So you want to make sure that you fill this out completely. Let's take a look at how you do that now. Under the My Profile area, click the link Manage Profile. Once in the Manage Profile screen, click the Edit Bio link. The first thing you'll notice is that there is space for you to create a personalized URL. This makes it easy for you to give others a link that directs them right to your ECPA profile without having to search for you in the database. You can change this by clicking the Change link here. Complete the other contact information. Scroll to the bottom. Here you can enter in any education and experience that you have, any social or volunteer organizations you've been a part of, and more information about yourself. This next box would be your personal contact information. The professional information section, if you're currently not employed, you can just leave this information blank. Once you've completed this information, you'll want to visit your profile homepage one more time to make sure that all of the information appears how you would like it to by clicking on the My Bio tab. Now you'll notice here on my page that I have these social media icons. Let's take a look at how you set those up. Click on the Networks link, and from here, in order to set up your social media network profiles that you have established elsewhere, select the network from the drop-down box that you'd like to add, type in the URL, and click Add to Profile. Once you've done this, you can go back to your profile home, click on the My Bio link, and here you'll see that now we have 2 Twitter boxes, one that I had added previously, and then the new one. If you do have a Twitter account, you can configure your Twitter feed, as I've done here, to display on your ECPA community site profile. And you'll notice that it scrolls through your most recent tweets. To configure your Twitter profile, you will want to go to Manage Profile, click on the Twitter icon, and follow the prompts to authorize your Twitter feed to appear on your ECPA profile page. Next, let's take a look at how you create your resume. Under the Networking and Careers section, click the resume icon. ECPA has provided for you a very simple to use step-by-step process creating a resume on the ECPA website. Here you'll want to enter your name, you'll want to enter a headline, which might include something like experienced editor, enter an objective, and we've given some examples of what that looks like. Enter any relevant job experience you have, enter in your education and skills, whether or not you are willing to relocate, enter a website that you might like a potential employer to view. Under the contact information field, you have a choice of whether you'd like to include your contact address or not, and whether you'd like to include home or work. Once you've selected a contact address, the system will automatically look for the phone number associated with that address in your profile. And then finally, you can enter any additional contact related information in this box. The next section is very important. This is one of the ways in which employers can search the database. So you want to enter in a primary category of employment that you were interested in. And then you can also enter as many secondary categories as you'd like. Select your desired position type, full-time down to volunteer, level of education, time of experience you've had. And then finally, and this is very important, make sure to select your privacy options. Would you like to link this resume back to your personal profile? Would you like to include your resume in our resume search tool? Do you want to display your email address, and can potential employers contact you, yes or no? And then finally, if you have already created a resume that you would also like to include, or some other information about yourself that you have in the form of a document, you can select the I want to attach a document after submitting my resume, and once you click the Submit button, you'll be prompted to upload that document. Now let's take a look at how we search the Career Center for jobs. Click on the Career Center link. From the Career Center page, you can easily search openings by clicking on the Search Openings link. You can narrow your search with keywords, location-based information. You can search for a specific company, or you can search within a category similar to the categories you would have used to identify yourself on your resume. You can choose the type of position you'd like, education requirement, or experience requirement. You can also choose an RSS feed of all job openings on the ECPA Career Center by clicking the RSS link, which will open up in your RSS reader. And anytime a new job is posted to the ECPA Career Center, you'll be notified via that method. Once you click Search, the system will return all of the job openings that fit within the search criteria that you've selected. To view a job opening, simply click on the name of the job. If you'd like to narrow your search via the primary category, you can just click on one of those. Or if you'd like to look for a specific company, click on the company name, and it will narrow your search that way. If you'd like to subscribe to this search, click the subscribe link, and anytime a new job is posted, with the criteria that you've created, you will receive a message in your ECPA.org inbox, accessible under Messages, letting you know about the new job, providing you a link back to the job posting so that you can easily review it and apply for it. When you receive a message in your ECPA community site inbox, you will also receive an email in your traditional email inbox letting you know that you have received a new message. And with that, we'll wrap up the overview for the ECPA Career Center from the perspective of a job seeker. If you have any questions that you'd like to have answered related to the ECPA Career Center for Christian Publishing, please click the contact link at the top of the ECPA.org website.